Rotabench 6-pack is a tool for engineers to power 3-phase PMSMs with up to 60-volt DC bus voltage and up to 100 ampere RMS with field-oriented control in a lab or in a test bench environment. Typical applications are, for example, automotive motors like electric power steering motors, e-bike motors, and power tools EC motors with a 12, 24, 36 or 48-volt DC bus voltage and a speed up to 10,000 RPM. As a lab instrument, it has a unique set of features. A precise 16-bit data acquisition with extensive visualization. A sophisticated user interface to operate the device. An automatic tool to detect the rotor angle, the motor pole pairs and the motor polarity. An automatic tool to estimate the stator resistance and inductances. Pop-up windows to display current and voltage in the time domain as well as in the DQ domain. A manual control where the user can set the D and the Q current individually. A characteristic curve tool, where the torque output of a motor can be measured automatically. And it has already a basic power analyzer included. It can operate in all 4 quadrants, clockwise and counterclockwise, in motoric operation and in braking operation. With the built-in digital I/Os, the user can operate a DC switch and an AC switch directly from the user interface. At the moment, drivers for Delta Electronica DC power supplies and EA power supplies are already built in. With the EPS add-in, it can control the brake engine of a test bench with analog and digital I/Os, and it can interface a Kistler 4503 torque sensor to measure the torque and the angle position. After several years of intense research, development and testing, this instrument is finally ready for the end customer. If you have to test motors with low voltages and high currents, this device is definitively a tool that will make your job a lot more easier. At least this device is exactly the inverter I always wanted to have, when I was developing test benches for automotive electric motors in the past 20 years.